Hey everybody, it's John from Street Smart Ventures. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to get your tickets, how to register for the upcoming May 14th Work to Learn Marketplace event, which is happening at the Courtyard by Marriott in Cromwell, Connecticut. We have a new registration process and we thought it would be great to kind of give an overview, quick tutorial just on how to register and get your tickets, because you will need this ticket right here with a QR code to get into the event. The event is totally free, and we do need a head count because we're providing lunch. So it's going to be really important that we get this ahead of time. So to get this ticket, which can be shown either on paper printed out or digitally on your phone, you're going to go to our website, streetsmartventures.com. This is our new website, and you're going to come up to the events page. And you're going to hover over Work to Learn Marketplace. You can also go down to upcoming events. You can click this poster, you can click Get Free Tickets. It will all lead you to the same spot, which is the Work to Learn Marketplace page. And so a couple things to mention. One is that you'll notice that there is an AKA Courtyard by Marriott, one day only Cromwell Community Craft Fair and Marketplace. We thought it was really important, besides to market and to promote to people who are in YASBiz and know about what we do. We wanted to make sure the community was also in the know, because we want community people to come out. We want them to know that it's open to the community. It's a free lunch for all. We want them to come shop with us. We want them to know it's like a craft fair, so they know what to expect. It's in Cromwell. It's for the community. And this QR code also leads to the same page that we're on right now. So that's that. As you come down this page, you can see the time, the location, more about the event. You can click Show More, get more information there. There's a schedule, which will continually be updated. You can click See All to get more information. And then you get down to the ticket section. These are our tickets. There's 4 of them, and they're all free. The event attendee entry ticket is just a normal, you just want to kind of hang out, enjoy the day, have lunch, and shop. That's for advisors from agencies, that's for the public, that's for anyone, a young adult who just wants to come and be a part of the day. Then there's a vendor ticket if you'd like to sell something. This is open to entrepreneurs, vendors from the YASBiz program, or also from the community, and there's only 30 spots available, so you want to make sure to get your ticket and claim your specific table, which I'll show you how to do next, ASAP. Secret Shopper is kind of like an event attendee, but you have a special job at the event, and there's some perks involved. So if you'd like more information on this, you could always email us at yourfan@streetsmartventures.com. But here's a little example of what it is. It's for attendees who participate in structured event evaluations while engaging with vendors. So you're kind of like helping us collect information to help our vendors up their game, because a lot of them just want to get better at what they do. So that's what that's about. And then we have a presenter ticket, and there's 7 of these. I should say there's 6 Secret Shopper tickets. There are 7 presenters, and you'll be able to choose a time you'd like to present in our big room. So what you do next is you click Select Tickets, and you're going to come to our brand new interactive map to get your tickets. But also this map shows you where to park, the hotel entrance, and kind of like the flow of where you go, where registration is. Our corridor where we normally would eat in the past, we moved that to a lunch area over here, so that's good to know. And then this is our area where you can actually select your tickets. So you hit the plus sign down here on the right, and it'll take you in closer. And I'm just going to read over here. It says, click color-coded seat or sections to select one or more types of tickets. Our vendor tickets are blue, presenters are pink, secret shoppers are yellow, and event attendees are green. And so you'll see a basket here on your left. I somehow selected table 18, but this is our layout. So if you wanted to have your table set up right here, or you like to be in front of the screen, you wanted table 28, you just simply click that. You come over here and you'll see vendor 28. It's a free ticket and it's in your basket. It's like your cart. If you also say you wanted to have an event attendee and you had 2 of them, well, if you click event attendee once, it's going to jump up over here. And then if you click it again, it's going to disappear. So you need to click it once, and then if you want to add more, you go to the plus sign and add more people that way. So say we wanted 3 event attendees, 1 vendor, we had a secret shopper. We're going to click once, and we're going to look into presenting, and we wanted to pick a specific time because I like to eat lunch before presenting, so I might pick 12:30, and I'll click that. Now all of those tickets are represented in your basket, and then you're going to click checkout. In checkout, there's a couple things to note. One is this is the person who is kind of in charge of checking out for the tickets. It might just be you. You might have picked one ticket, and I'm just going to put John and SSV and my email, John at Street Smart Ventures, and I hit continue. Now, if I only had one ticket, I could click same as buyer details, and all my information comes in here. I might say, how did you hear about this event? I Googled it. Are you interested in future volunteer or collaboration opportunities? Yes, please. No, thank you. You guys are so polite. So you click one of those. Now, if you have multiple tickets, then you go on to your next ticket. And then you can click the name of this is another event entry ticket. Oops, I double clicked that. Hold on a second. So an event entry ticket, this is the vendor ticket, secret shopper, presenter. So you kind of open up the different segments and list who the person is who's presenting. I'm going to close it, open up the secret shopper, the person, their email, and this is the secret shopper ticket. So we'll be able to connect the person to the ticket. And then you're going to continue and finish the process that way. And you have 30 minutes to do so. So that is the overview on how to get your tickets for the upcoming event. If you have any questions, please feel free to always email us at yourfan, YOURFAN, @streetsmartventures.com. Thanks, guys.